Say hi. Say congrats to Karina. Say congrats. Say congrats. Jaime's very proud of you. Huh? Hello, it's a camera. It's recording. Say hi. Where is she? I can't see her. She's behind him? Number 2 now.
Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, left 4 rows back. I see you sit down.
Say congrats, say congrats. Congratulations. You too. Well, stop that. Dude, say congrats to Karina.
I made it for the announcing.
No, she didn't. She's like really late. Say congrats to Karina. Oh, it's recording. Say congrats.
Oh, congratulations, Karina. We love you. I'm hungry right now.
Say congrats, Keppa. No! Come on! B, say congrats to Karina.
Yeah, fire! Congratulations, Taco!
Woo!
Yeah!
Hi, we are still live at Woodstock High School in Santa Clara. I'm with Auntie Geppa and we're at graduation. And we'll tune in later on.
I know, now we out.
Oh, yeah!
Congratulations to my sister Karina Janelle Farfano, aka Taco. You did it. Woohoo! Love you.
Karina, we finna get hella drunk tonight.
Yes, we now. Baby, say hi, Karina. Julie, say something. Say something. Say something, Karina.
Hey, congratulations. You did well. You did awesome.
Going on YouTube, huh? Congratulations, Karina. 08 off-toppers.
Oh, 7.
Bring it back, Nigga, for sure off-top.
Don't ever do that. Say congrats. Fish. What are you trying for? Let me go over here. Where's Achimatsu? Where'd Achimatsu go? Woo! Dad, say congratulations to your daughter.
Congratulations, daughter. You gave me a hard time, a headache, and a booty ache and all
But
that.
she loves you.
Why did she leave me?
love you.
Why did she leave me?
Woo!
What's your name?
Say congrats to your sister.
They left me in high school by myself.
Say love you, sister.
I love you.
Congratulations, Karina.
Oh, okay.
Go down there, Camino.
And there's Vince and Calvin, Malupu. Say congrats.
Congrats to Mina. Congrats to Mina. And get away because I'm hungry.
Everyone is, right?
FYL out here.
Everyone's hungry right now.
FYL, Forever Young Life.
What does FYL mean? No. Where's my ulag? Go get it.
Why is she over here trying to claim FYL when she know FYL is a summit shit, nigga? Hey,
Let me get some of that.
You guys are done.
FYL, hold on, nigga. It's Summit FYL in this, alright? So, FYL on your helmet, nigga.
2400.
Athletic. Every time I see Kevin, I think, hey, you know what? I put on your helmet.
You guys are cool.
You know what? I concur. concur. I concur with FYL.
Excuse me, I don't think she knows how to spell concur. So.
I'll put it down for you now. Word. Oh yeah, you know, be out at my graduation, Foothill College.
Woo! And when is that?
It's on me, baby.
June 27th.
June 27th.
Aren't you gonna sing and dance?
Oh yeah, you know, he's gonna do the slap dance. I don't think I want to see that.
Right here, right here. That's what's up.
Congrats, hold on. Congrats, Karina. Congrats to G-Bert. This is him now.
Hey, you know what? You know what? Fuck it. I love you, Diamond. I love you, Diamond.
Oh, I love you guys too. Woo! This is everyone. We're heading back out to the car. Baby! Baby, say hi! Sepatasi! What? Thank you. Okay, don't do my tap.